Good day to all science students. In this video lesson, we are going to discuss now the day 4 of first week for term 1 in science 10. The title is Applying Indicators to Common Substances. Objectives: evaluate indicator results to identify unknown solutions as acidic, basic, neutral, or salt solutions with possible acidic or basic behavior. Prepare and present a group evidence board that classifies unknown solutions using indicator observations and safety recommendations. And demonstrate responsibility and cooperation in making evidence-based and safety-conscious decisions involving common chemical substances. For motivational activity, have this safe or suspect household substance decision game. The purpose of this activity to connect the lesson to real household and school situations involving unknown substances. Situation cards, ito yung mga materials. 3 response signs. Ang response signs is safe to identify through evidence, handle with caution, never test by tasting or touching. Procedure: learners are divided into small teams. The teacher reads situation card. Each team raises the most appropriate response sign. Teams briefly justify their decision. Okay, ito yung situation card. A learner sees an unlabeled clear liquid on the laboratory table. The correct response: never test by tasting or touching. The reason: unknown solutions may be dangerous. The next is situation. A teacher provides indicator results for vinegar. The correct response: safe to identify through evidence. The classification is based on data. A bottle is labeled sodium hydroxide solution. Ang correct response: handle with caution. The reason: sodium hydroxide is a strong base and may be corrosive. Another one, saline solution is placed beside vinegar and soap solution. What is the correct response? Safe to identify through evidence. The reason: indicators can distinguish their properties. Another one, situation, a learner plans to smell a laboratory chemical directly. The correct response: never test by tasting or touching. Direct smelling is also unsafe. Okay, the water quality booth at the science fair. During a school science fair, a booth displays for labeled test records from common solutions. The actual liquids are not handled by visitor. Instead, visitors analyze the indicator observations. Okay, for example, the sample 1, possible source is calamansi juice. The indicator observation, universal indicator, became orange. In sample 2, soap solution. The possible source is soap solution. The observation, red litmus paper become blue. Sample 3 is the saline solution. Universal indicator became green. And sample number 4, sodium carbonate solution. The initial observation, universal indicator became blue. One visitor claims all salt solutions are neutral because saline solution is neutral. Materials, mystery supply books, evidence of card, Manila paper or cartolina, markers, and then classification, labels, acidic, basic, neutral, non-neutral, on salt solution. Safety reminder cards, so kailangan yun. Each group can receive the following evidence. The code name solution alpha. Ang receive the observation is blue litmus paper turned red. Universal indicator became orange. For solution bravo, red litmus paper turned blue. Phenolphthalein became pink. Okay, ito yung code name solution Charlie. No litmus change. Universal indicator became green. Source label mentioned sodium chloride in water. And then the solution delta, universal indicator became blue. Record states that it is a salt solution used in a cleaning transformation. And then the solution echo, blue litmus turned red. Record warns that it is a laboratory solution requiring gloves and goggles. Okay, possible source cards. Groups may choose one possible source for each solution. For example, vinegar, sodium hydroxide solution, saline solution, sodium carbonate solution, hydrochloric acid solution. Okay, instruction: analyze the evidence, study each evidence card carefully, focus on indicator observations rather than appearance. Step number 2, classify each solution for every code name, identify whether it is acidic, basic, or near neutral. A salt solution that is basic or near neutral. Okay, step number 3, match the possible score. Match each code name with the most appropriate possible source card. Step number four, construct an evidence board. On Manila paper, prepare a group output using the formal below. Ito. Ayan. Code name, indicator evidence, classification, possible substance, and then the safety advice. For number 5, add a safety alert box. At the bottom of the evidence board, write 3 laboratory safety rules that should always be followed when identifying acids, bases, and cards. Okay, bases and salts. Okay, this is the table. Okay, codename solution alpha, the indicator evidence, blue litmus turns red, universal indicator became orange. So the answer is acidic. Possible substance, vinegar, and safety advice, do not taste, use indicators for testing. Next solution, bravo. The indicator evidence, red litmus turned blue, phenolphthalein and became pink, or that is basic sodium hydroxide solution. According to the safety advice, handle carefully, use gloves and goggles. Okay, another one, solution Charlie, solution Delta, and solution Echo. Ayan. Okay, let us now scan these exit tickets. Okay, sasagutan nyo to sa notebook. Ayan, exit tickets. How hard did you work today? Put a circle on the scale below. Then describe why you feel that way. So I didn't work at all. I put more forth some effort but not much. I work but I could have worked harder. I work as hard as I could.